Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change language in Temu apps on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Temu application like this, and as you can see here I use English language for my Temu applications. Yeah guys, if you want to change it, you just have to go to this me option at the bottom. Now go ahead to this gear icon at the top right, and it will be look like this. We'll find out here the language options. If you want to change it, just go ahead to this language options, tap on it, and this is the options yeah guys for the Temu language on applications. For example, here I'm gonna change it to the Arabic. I'm gonna tap on it, and yeah, it will be look like this. For my Temu application on my phone, it's already used Arabic from the English language before. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.